Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to start your Amazon seller business. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. If you haven't opened it up already, what you need to do is go ahead and do so. You'll be greeted by this main page right here. So once you're greeted by this main page, now we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started with logging in. So basically guys, if you do not already have an Amazon seller account that you can log into and start your business, you can sign up for one. So you can click the sign up button. That's going to take you to the next page where you can go and get started providing your email. Go ahead and provide all your info for your account to get started signing up and getting your Amazon seller account. You can even go ahead and explore plans to take a look at what plans you can use. You have the individual plan, professional, and so on that you can get started with. And now once you're logged in and you have gotten your account, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your dashboard from where we can manage our store and start setting up our business. Here we're going to be able to take a look at our catalog. We can take a look at our inventory, all our orders, store section, and so on to manage your store and get started setting up your business. All of that is going to be available right here. How to get started, you'll be able to manage all your info. You can get started with adding your products. You can go and get started with managing your store settings, such as your shipping settings and so on. So all that is going to be available from the dashboard right here once you have created your account, as I have showed you, logged in and got started. Basically that's how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.